ఎలా అన్నారు చెప్పండి. ముందుగా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన గెస్ట్స్కి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ, హార్ట్ ఫెల్ట్ వెల్కమ్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ అండ్ సపోర్టింగ్ అస్ సార్. అండ్ మీడియా మిత్రులకి యూఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ అస్. హలో రమణ సార్. మీడియా మిత్రులకి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, యూఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ అస్, కీప్ పుషింగ్ అస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఈరోజు నేను చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను, చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నాను. ఎందుకంటే చాలా రోజులు తర్వాత ఈ సినిమా రిలీజ్ అవ్వడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్. దిస్ క్యారెక్టర్ దట్ ఐమ్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇందు ఈజ్ వెరీ స్పెషల్ టు మీ. నన్ను నమ్మి ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇచ్చిన డైరెక్టర్ యశస్వి గారు, థ్యాంక్ you so much. I'm really grateful. I got this character so early on. I was not expecting. It's such a meaty character, such a vibrant, dynamic. It has so many range, such an arc, and I got to play Indu. So I'm really thank you, sir. I thank you so much, and I would like to compliment you for your passion, your guts, your instincts. It's amazing that how he wrote these characters, how he believed in them, how he brought them in front of the screen. So I am really, it's commendable. And our producers, they were like a rock. They were like our fathers. Producers were fathers, director was mother. So thank you, Jaya ma'am, Pani sir, Pradeep sir, Shyam sir, Yashashvi sir as well. Everyone who has been so supportive. Our whole direction team who's sitting there not ready to come forward. Thank you so much, Ramana sir. Everybody supported us a lot. Shyam K. Naidu garu, he does not need any intro. He himself is a brand, is a name, and it's enough. I shouldn't say more about him, but I should really thank him that he was part of this movie. He made us look so beautiful. He made the movie look so beautiful. Our music director, Radhan Garu, chala adbhutamaina music icharu. So you can see, you saw the BGM, you saw the songs. I fell in love with all the songs, and majorly Chaliya Chalu. Breakup songs are my thing. So thank you, Radhan sir. Thank you, all the team. Editor sir, Praveen Pudi garu. Editors are someone who make or break the movie at the end. And he for sure did a great job editing. I saw what I saw, and I can say it is a great edit. So thank you everyone who has put in their efforts. My co-actors, the supporting cast. Is anyone present here? Cast, crew? No one? So I just would like, if you're watching, the other co-actors, the supporting cast, you've done a lot of hard work too. I wish after Siddharth Roy you get many more opportunities. Edi manaspurtiga korukuntunnanu. So I really admire everyone's work, everyone's support. And finally, Siddharth Roy, finally the day is here. Tomorrow, 23rd February, we are coming in the theaters. I'm shivering, my heart is beating very fast. I'm very nervous, I'm very excited, feeling all the emotions, just like Siddharth Roy. And last but not the least, my hero, Deepak. I really wish you all the very best, and I've seen you work so hard for this movie with so much passion, and I'm sure people will see that too. And I really wish after this great things come for you. And you've been just a great support, a great co-actor. So और क्या बोलूँ बस. Thank you so much. Please watch our movie Siddharth Roy. We've done a lot of hard work. It is made with lot of love, passion, tears, blood, literally blood. You can ask Deepak. And Maku mi andari support, love, blessings, Josh, everything we need from you. So thank you. Watch us on 23rd February. Thank you so much.
Wow. అంత నర్వస్గా ఉన్న ఎంత క్లారిటీతో మాట్లాడారు. మీ ఎక్స్ట్రీమిటీ ఏంటి తన్వి ఇంతకి? వాట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఇన్ యూ?
In me or Indu?
Which element? No, in Tanvi. Indu we will watch tomorrow.
Tanvi, my extremes are sometimes anger, short tempered. I'm a little short tempered. Get irritated fast.
అది అమ్మాయిల్లో కామన్ గా ఉంటుంది.
And stupidity is also my extremity.
అయ్యా,
Really stupid.
ఇది బయటకి ఇంత గర్వంగా చెప్పడం ఫస్ట్ టైం
I'll be
వింటున్నా.
true. I am very
ఆనెస్ట్, ఓపెన్.
very clumsy. I'll keep falling, I'll keep hurting, that's my extreme
స్పెషాలిటీ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అడుగుదా